Hey guys, thanks for watching. We are still on the Alpina stand and we have now the Alpina D5 S in its magnificent green color. It's a really beautiful color and it's kind of iconic for Alpina. They've always been using the blue or the green color, and it's pretty nice to see. And here in the front we have the massive front bumper, kind of iconic with the Alpina logo down there. Huge bumper with nice stickers, gold stickers on the side, on the front and the side on the back. It looks just great. Wheels are also classical to Alpina. It remains in the style of the house, and you recognize it from far. Here on the side we have those stickers I was talking about. Gold stickers, just like in the first Alpina we have seen. It's just looks great, kind of old school, but it just looks great on this D5 S. The back is also massive. We have that huge bumper, 4 exhaust tips, 2 on each side, with a small diffuser here. It just look really aggressive. Also this nice spoiler lip and trunk, making it really aggressive. Let's have a look at the inside. And inside is pretty exclusive, and it's like Alpina always did, really great looking interiors with some iconic colors I've been using. We have that kind of red brown wood here on the dashboard and door panels, also with the green LEDs here. It looks really nice. The blue gauges, as usual in an Alpina, it's just a standard for an Alpina to have that blue gauges. We have also those nice seats in a really nice brown leather with a white or cream stitching. It looks really nice, and the rooftop all made of Alcantara just gets a really great look at the interior. This wood is just incredible to touch. Really nice feeling. It feels really luxurious in it. There are also some setups for the drive modes. You have sport, you have comfort, you have Eco Pro, and also adaptive. So it's in function of how fast or how slow you're driving, and it adapts on your style of driving. And even then you can still personalize it. You can have sport, standard, plus, individual. You also have comfort, standard or plus, which you can configure. For example, in individual configuration, you can adjust some elements like the suspension here, steering wheel, how you want to feel the motor, if you want it totally aggressive or not, transmission, how fast, how smooth you want it. So you have a lot of way of configuring your style and your Alpina D5 S. And here we see BMW Alpina D5 S whole road, so it's kinda easy drive, and it's number 17th, made by Alpina. Really classy, that little thing here. So guys, that was it for Alpina stand. Thank you for watching. Keep sharing, keep subscribing, and keep following us. We have a lot of new things to see to it.